fishing vlog this Monday. See what we can get into. Watch them be in here. I showed Jeffrey this spot last time.
Did you call fish?
Yeah, he caught like 4 out of it.
The bush will be the first spot they go.
No, they ain't in here. Ow. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
There she is, baby.
Big mouth. There we go.
It's pretty good, and pretty good.
Pretty good baby. Jeffro, that's one.
Oh, I thought I had the hook.
She flopping.
Look.
Step on her.
Bruh.
Did you just break the hook?
Yeah.
There she is.
First one in a while now. Let's get this hook out of you, girl.
My turn.
Number 1. I don't even know if y'all are still watching. What's her name? His name is Austin. See you later.
Silently.
God almighty, dude! And
The first bite.
alright, y'all, for real, every time he thinks he get a bite or he hits a rock on the bottom, if y'all fish, y'all will know what I'm talking about. Every time he's like, "Ooh, I missed him, oh."
I'm
Whoa.
That was a bite. You did hard.
That's why you straight up go, bam, yank that thing. Since you got you a good job now, you need to go buy you some freaking...
I said a lot of this.
I need to pull over there for you.
Not at work early. Probably have his car on and all. Look at there. Oh baby. She a fighter.
She is, for real.
Woo. What's that one name?
I like Leroy. See you later, Leroy. Great, thanks for getting my face covered in water.
It don't matter, it's sprinkling. I know you felt something somewhere. I just want to hit something.
Oh no.
Ah!
Sitting here talking to me. I mean, freaking sitting here talking to you. Buddy was just sitting there wrapping me around the log.
I'm actually thinking I'm gonna it'll do.
I don't know where this fat tree limb came from.
See how far I can go.
Unless they...
Not that far.
Throw me the old pouches.
The pouch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of getting tired of putting my vape pouch. Put it back in and locking it.
Give me two. Throw me that water on my side. Can't freaking move because this water. I'm gonna get you one of them little bells.
What?
There's a bell you put on the end of your rod. When you get a hit, it goes ding, ding, ding.
Oh, so you think I'm a baby now?
I'm just saying, I'll help you. As soon as you hear ding, you try to break that freaking rod. Oh, they got music on there too.
Oh, really?
Look, bro.
Call you turd.
What's that girl's name on that Disney Channel crap?
I'm what?
Disney Channel or whatever.
It's about Jesse?
No. Mary.
There's a million Disney channels.
Mm.
Shows.
That fish's name was Mary Poppins. No, what was that one? It was the babysitter or whatever.
Jesse.
No. It was a movie.
It was a movie?
I think she flew.
Mary Poppins?
Yeah, I guess it was the one I was saying.
The one with the umbrella?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Mary Poppins.
Wait, wasn't that a... She was good, wasn't she?
I think so. Or, I don't know.
Either way, whoever, somebody y'all hate, that was that fish's name, because it about hooked me in the thumb, so... Screw him. But what was that? Fish number 4.
Fish number 0.
Maybe if you change dang thing so you can actually throw it.
I think it'd be like last time. I caught the first fish. Maybe, but it was something.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No! Oh yeah.
Old smallmouth, baby.
Look at her. Will actually go somewhere.
What?
It will actually go somewhere. like locked up at like a certain point. Wow.
Yeah.
Wait for it.
Oh God, that was that big boat. Good Lord, baby.
Surfing, baby.
On the river. On the river. Oh, hit it for me. Come on. With a dip.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's go. All right, come on.
Bro.
Let's go.
One more cast. This is like a lucky cast out here. One cast.
Let's call Jeffrey.
Ask him how many he called. Probably gonna take his phone. He's smart.
He's calling my mom.
Did you throw that?
Hey,
Hey,
y'all still on the water?
yeah,
Where y'all at?
out on a point next to the boat ramp, boat docks.
Are y'all out in the channel?
We're in a sloop.
But y'all ain't in ours.
No, we ain't been in that.
How many y'all caught?
When Terry gets this one in the boat, it's gonna be number 6.
Ah, y'all got pictures of all of them?
We don't have to have a picture. We know how many we caught.
I need to know.
How many you caught?
I got 5.
You ain't got no 5.
Oh, gee! I got it all on my...
New spot,
Is she rolling?
aka Golden.
Huh?
I said aka Golden.
She rolling?
No. Oh yeah.
Don't throw. Smell that.
Yeah. Wow. You wiggling.
Did he swallow it? Nah. Thought he did for a second there.
What's that on? Oh.
Mm. Y'all can see this. Oh, they can't see it. Well, Cavassier just fell off the boat.
Just cinder, baby, just cinder.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I kind of knew that was gonna happen. What's up? I'm good. I'm good.
Where you at?
Bro, I'm so. Bro, that's crazy.
He fell, look. He fell.
Bro, look at this. It's ridiculous.